If you want to use Circle to Search on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then in order to activate it, you can press and hold your finger on the home button, so the circle, if you use 3 buttons for navigation, for a second or two, just like that. And if you use gestures for navigation, then of course at the bottom you should have the navigation bar, so you can press and hold your finger on it as well. And then you should be able to activate this Google's Circle to Search overlay. Now you can draw a shape around the thing that you want to use as a reference to search in Google. So let's say I'm going to select this area over here, and there we go, now it has been selected, and I get Google search results even with some AI summary or overview. And you should be able to use Google pretty quickly based on the selected area. The selected area can still be adjusted in case it was incorrectly selected. You can also tap on things if you're looking for something specific, or if you don't want to draw shapes around it. You can usually tapping works as well, as you can see here, pretty easily. And there we go. That's pretty much Circle to Search. Very simple and very easy to use. But in addition to that, what you can do with Circle to Search is you can use it to search for a song. So if you are somewhere outside, for example, and if you hear a song that you like and you would like to know the title of that song, then you can tap on this music note button, and then you can let your phone listen to the background for a short while, and then the Circle to Search is going to try to recognize that song, and if it does, you should be able to get Google search results with the song title. So this is very helpful in case you're looking for a song name. Now, besides that, we have one more feature, and that is the screen translation. So over here we have the translation button. So if you use it, then the source language, so the language that is displayed on this screen, is going to be automatically detected. But what you can also do is, of course, you can choose the target language. So you can choose your language in order to, well, translate the screen to your language so you can understand what is written. This is of course useful if you visit some foreign websites that are written in a language that you don't understand. So this can be very helpful, of course. There's also the scrolling feature. So if you tap on it, then you should be able to scroll down in order to keep using the translation. So even though I'm right now on the home screen, I can still use it. And as you can see, I'm translating to the language that I have selected. Of course, if you scroll down, then at first it might need like a second or two to actually load the translation to translate the screen. But it's very convenient to use, especially if you, like I said, if you are like browsing a website that is written in foreign language. Now, in case you press and hold the home button over here or the navigation bar on your phone and it does not activate Circle to Search, then of course we can go to settings in order to check out if it's enabled. So we can now open settings, scroll down in here a little bit and go to gestures, and then here in gestures choose system navigation, and then here we have Circle to Search, which of course must be enabled if you want to use it. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.